Hello everyone! So, we are going now to Masaw guys with my two sisters. So, gi-invite namin siya guys para ma-enjoy naman ang ating sister. And also, our friends are waiting there to Masaw. Before that guys, pupunta muna kami sa Gypsum or Green Shop. So, malapit lang dito. 5 minutes walk lang. Tapos, bibili muna kami ng tubig, pagkain. So, hi kayo guys!
We're going to Masaw. Hello.
So, my husband guys is
Hello.
nasa likuran. We are all excited guys na pupunta kami sa Masaw. So maligo kami ng dagat doon. So malapit na kami guys sa Green Shop. Sobrang init karon. Guys sa ganyan dyan guys sa bag. Siya muna ang nagbabayad guys kasi ay ko kabigyo. And then my husband is waiting for tricycle. So siya muna ang papara ngayon guys kasi mainit and he wants us to wait here in the shadow. We are now in motorcycle.
And my wife has her sisters.
Yes.
So today there will be a lot of chika.
So malapit na kami guys. Dito 15 minutes lang kami mag-drive. Dito na kami ngayon sa Masaw guys. Pero bago kami pupunta sa friend namin is bibili muna kami ng mangga. Kasi mangga is life dyan. So also they are all excited to kamango and having fun there with my friends. Palit mi diri guys.
5 the boom. Right the engine.
Indian.
Kana engine. Yellow.
Yung binili namin guys na mangga. So we just pay 105. And then maglakad muna kami patungo sa place ng friend namin. So nagbaktas mi padulong sa ano guys sa place nila guys kasi doon kami huminto sa entrance. Tapos bumili ka naming mango. And right now, we are still walking. Napakalayo. Hinahangat ng aking husband. Napagod na. So, kailangan namin magbayad ng 20 pesos.
Dagma.
How are you, buddy? Hello. How's it going?
Yan, my sister.
Hello.
I'm Gaston.
Yes, I'm Trisha.
Trisha.
Yes.
And you're?
Rodina. Dindin. Dindin. Dindin.
Din.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. What are you doing? We're going to go get some. Ito, you can walk there. I'm going to stay with them. You walk over there. The carrots.
So, this is the place, guys.
Pilang ko din. Dawir bigugnaw. Gusto mo ka-hiking? Wow! Ka-nice!
Here we are. You must walk to the water, and this is the house.
Wow! Dito eh. It's a prank to natin. Wapog ka din. Nice mo kayo, good.
Lagi na lang nag-joke ang husband ko, guys. Parating na nga kami, guys. 15 minutes yung lakad namin. Sobrang layo dito. Nga kami, guys, at nahiya ang aking kapatid. So, nandito na nga kami sa dagat, guys. Sobrang linis ng dagat ngayon. And of course, yung sister ko excited na mag-picture. So, ang ganda ng tanawin dito, guys. Yung background. So, this is our outfit, guys. So, very simple lang ang outfit namin ngayon. So, this is our youngest sister and this is my younger sister. So, sana all magaganda ang aking mga kapatid. Like me! Mag-model muna kami, guys. Kapatid ko, guys, na hindi mapipigilan mag-picture, mag-video. Ang ito naman sobrang ganda.
Always. Ako hindi ko always.
So, yan ang sinasabi, guys, na be confident. So, ito ang kapatid ko, guys. Sobrang mayayain sa personal, but pag dito na sa picture at video, hindi na mahiya. Sobrang kapal ng mukha. So, sobrang sayo ko guys kasi nandito yung kapatid ko and I see that they are happy here. Also guys, sobrang hangin dito, fresh air, and nakaka-relax talaga. So, if ever nandito kayo sa dagat and gusto niyo magbuni-muni, so mas mabuti biliin niyo dito yung sa dagat kasi sobrang linaw ng tubig and then fresh air and then makapag-isip-isip ka talaga.
Something.
My friend Gaston, Nita, his wife,
Say hello. She likes kamote.
Camote.
She's a kamote girl. What do you like the best? What's your best favorite?
Everything, we eat everything.
Yeah?
Like banana, kamote.
Yeah? This is what you eat?
I love kamote.
What's the best
Hi.
one? Who's the best one? Yeah? She's the best? Yeah? Sheila's pretty good here. Hazel's the best though. This guy. Show there in the video. You're gonna be all over the world. Hazel. You do it? You got it? Okay, if you got it, hold on to it. Don't drop. This is Nassau Beach here. This is how we live like a king.
Yes, you're the king of Mazau Beach,
I'm the king of Nassau Beach. You
and
done
this
that?
is the queen of Mazau Beach.
Yeah, this is the granddaughter. Gonna be in
Granddaughter.
the police criminology.
Oi.
Wednesday we're gonna know her exam.
Okay.
Yeah. Wednesday.
So gusto ng mga foreigner guys ang roaster and they want to gamble. I don't know if they gamble but they really like a roasters here and of course they have 30 roasters. So mahiyain ko mga kapatid and then my husband and our friend. So ito yung owner ng roasters guys. Ito kami dadaan sa sagbutan guys. Also, sobrang peaceful dito at fresh air and they love to be here.
The whole place just for us.
The whole place for herself. The beach, the park.
This is a private area now.
Yes. Kuyak and then natay mango.
This is the smelly one. The baho.
I got to give this to my wife.
Balik mo siya. Biscuit guys, mango guys with kuyak. With my sister.
Ba't ko din? Ano, tawag din yung mga pwede nyo. Lumag ka na yung duwa, yung tabang. Bitaw, tabang ka.
Pwede kilihan na.
Balik ka kasi na nila.
Ay, pang guro. Tapos na pala kami maligo guys. So my hair still wet and my husband and his friend are still swimming. They're still swimming guys. Bisan og balot guys ang atanan guys sa laligo gihapon niya. Kahugaw na pud ang dagat niya, nagkalawong na pud siya. So nag-decide ko sa ako ang manghod nga mundang ligo kay tugno pa sa tanan. Nagpurog-purog na ko sa katugnaw guys.
Sa pag guys, dili makamahay ang kuan diri Di ka ay view as in. Makamahay.
So natago akong manghod guys oh. Ug kaon og mangga kay kauban na niya yang uyab.